Get lost. And these two. Hey, how's it going? And welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you guys about the butterflies little charms that I did. By the way, the pictures just now I just did it. If you want this kind of design too, you can comment so I can share the PNG image for you guys using my HP printer, and make sure it's in A4 file, and I'm gonna put the special paper best quality because the paper I'm using is the plastic, right? I buy this online. If you are interested, you can check down the links where I buy this paper, and yeah, I guess just print it and see how it goes. So this is the paper I'm using. I always call this plastic paper because it feels like a thick plastic, and make sure when you print you turn on the not the glossy side but the matte side so you can hold the ink, because I find that if I print on the glossy side then the ink will get into your hands when you touch it. Well, here it is. Wow, it looks so nice. Actually, I kind of excited to do it. So I already cut out according to the size. This is my first try, right, as I say, so I didn't really cut into the edges. I just cut along the side, and oh my god, this took forever to shrink it. This video is double the speed, so you can see like how long did I did it, and it keep on running all over the place. So I did it on the floor because I don't want to hit on my tables or anything. So I know that I'm not supposed to use hand. So I grabbed this. This is a nail clipper. It's not a tweezer. If you have a tweezer, you can use it, but my tweezer is long enough, so I just use this clipper to hold it in place. Oh my god, I'm terrible at it. So I find that when you are not shrink until the end, and then the plastic gets hardened and it really kind of get it in place. So yeah, but hope for the best. We still keep going to do this. Oh, I can see it. Some of it is coming out. And it looks like those, you know, when you go to the souvenir shops and you have this kind of keychains, you know, all sort of butterfly keychains. It kind of reminds me of that. I can see the rainbow inside those wings, and it feels so like heartbroken. And I might just show you like what I draw is where the size before and after. This is so cute. I mean, I kind of like this green color, purple colors. Oh, the pink is nice too. If you like this, you can download it. I also can share the pictures that I did just now. I mean, I searched it from random websites. So I'm gonna do this again, but this time I wanted to do a smaller size because that one is just too big for fit my nails, you know. And like this, you know, it's have like a watercolor base kind of butterflies, but when you shrink it, ooh, it looks so nice. This one I already cut it out And oh yes, this is so nice. Gonna play with it. Again, I put it in the floor so I didn't burn anything. It's like I'm using the same tweezer to hold it in place. Oh, it looks so nice. Sorry, the camera quality is not that nice, but you get the ideas. And if you can see, my hand is already dirty. So I'm gonna do the same to all the butterflies that I cut out. Here it is. Yeah, I don't know why I organized and just put it all up. But yeah, you can see. What I want to do next is I'm gonna top coat it, because as you can see, my hand is so dirty when you get all the inks. You know, just want to seal the ink, make sure you get like yeah, and it's nice to see and nice to hold, you know. I think this is more enough to fit my nails. I just saw that. Yep, I'm using the brown pixie top coat, which is my favorite. I'm planning on doing for roses and bears. If you guys would like to see more, but not with the spring plastic paper, I think with something else. Looks shine and buff and smooth and ooh la la. I like this one. And all the rest of it looks like rainbow colors in the wings. It kind of inspired me to do rainbow color nails too. Oh, look at this pretty pink. I think I can fit this one on my nails. Yep. It looks nice and stay on. So if you have this plastic, I keep on saying plastic, I'm reusing this recycled plastic bag that I get from the nail stickers. The nail sticker I already used up, so I just stick all the butterflies in it, which is really good and convenient for the next time. And this is those who I cut out, and I'm just too lazy to bring all out, so I just kept that another reusable bag. And yeah, hope you liked it, and see you in the next one.